When reloading the staple gun, first off, take the mains plug out from the socket. There is a spring-loaded lever at the bottom of the gun, which you pull back with one hand. I'm left-handed. Pull the lever back and remove the plate underneath it. There's a red plastic part on the slide for the staples, which you draw back and then rotate slightly to hold it in position at the end of the slide. Then take a stick of staples and drop it down from the top. Pull the spring lever back again and reposition the plate, and make sure that when the plate is in, it's tight, very slightly back from the bottom guard plate, and then release the red plastic slider, plug it back in, and there it goes.